Khalid bin Walid sent that message to the king of Persia, and he told them, I offer you to either pay us the jizya so we don't attack you, or consider joining our religion. Notice he's talking to a king who is wealthier than him, telling him to join our religion so that you win the dunya or the akhirah. Or else, if you choose number 3, it's about the battle, the fight, because you guys have been harassing us. And he told him, وَإِلَّا أَرْسَلْتُ لَكَ رِجَالًا يُحِبُّونَ الْمَوْتَ كَمَا تُحِبُّونَ الْحَيَاةِ. Allahu Akbar. I'm going to send you men, true men, who love death as much as you love life, who are willing to sacrifice, put their life on the line for a good cause, for their submission, for their iman, for their Islam, for their purpose to introduce Islam and iman to the whole world. Allahu Akbar. Look at this strength, and look at, as we see that strength, that resilience in the people of Gaza nowadays, who lose loved ones, who lose family, lose almost everything, and some of them we have their family here with us in this masjid today, who lost loved ones, subhanallah. May Allah have mercy on the martyrs. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on everyone who passed